Hello, it's High Tickle. You are watching Top 5 Best Dual Alarm Clock. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. PPLEE Digital Dual Alarm Clock. Can set 2 different alarms time. 4 levels adjustable alarm volume, 5 levels adjustable, digits brightness dimmer. USB phone charger. Outlet operated with battery backup settings. Easy to set for kids, teens, seniors, boys, girls. Suitable for bedroom, home, kitchen, office. Number 4. Timex Dual Alarm Clock. Wake to AM or FM radio or buzzer. 20 station preset memory. Large, easy to read LED display. Line and jack to connect auxiliary audio sources. 2 inches dynamic speaker for great sound. Number 3. Mesqool Extra Loud Dual Alarm Clock. Style, digital. Brand, Mesqool. Material, plastic. Color, white. Shape, square. Power source, corded electric. Display type, digital. Ultra clear 7-inch, large LED display, and 5-level adjustable brightness. Number 2. OnLyee Digital Dual Alarm Clock. 8.7-inch large mirror display, the numbers are clearly visible. 8-level brightness, adjustable to protect your eyes. The lowest level is off. Dual alarm clock function to meet your needs for work and rest at different times. 9-minute snooze function to relieve your morning fatigue. Dual USB charging ports. Number 1. USCCE Loud Dual Alarm Clock. The brightness of the classic is dial controlled and adjustable from 0 to 100%. Dual alarms satisfy the need of anyone who shares the bed with a partner on a different morning schedule. Snooze allows extra 9 minutes of slumber